Hello there, happy Friday. This is Jack with Angel Home Solution. I just got a question from one of my clients asking whether Angel Home Solution is buying property over the phone. Um, it's kind of interesting that recall the memory where we just start the business. We start at auction courthouse, right? So we bid on the property live, having cash at hand, cash a check. When we win on the bid, we pay on, at the courthouse, get the property right away, without even see the property. But it's like interesting, buying an unknown gift, right? But we have done that. We seen the outside of the property. Sometimes we have picture on the inside of the property, but sometimes we doesn't. We did not see anything. Property pop up right away on the same day, usually Friday 10 o'clock at the courthouse, at King County or Snohomish or Pierce. So in that case, we bid on the property without seeing the property. The only possible way to do that is experience. We have done a lot. Each house probably need a certain item that is typical, and some house would need additional major item. Sometimes it's come down to luck. Obviously, we would not hitting the target, hitting the goals every time, but with experience we can precisely hitting around that. Sometimes we lost a little bit, but overall we're still making a good business. So back to the question whether we buy houses over the phone not seeing the property. The answer is no. We get commitment. We give you our commitment to you, such that we don't want to waste your time. We value your time. Why would you waste your time talking to a bunch of people who you don't really know whether they gonna meet your need, whether they gonna give you the price that you're looking for, whether they're gonna buy your property as is. It's wasting time, right? If you are looking for a certain amount, but that guy just want to lowball you, which wasting time. So with respect of your time, we try to see whether we are your best fit, whether you are our best fit, whether we can buy or we want to buy your property. If we are perfect match to each other, if we can provide what you need, we seek to serve all the time. So if we can serve you, and if you think we are trustworthy, that you want to do business with, and we can come together to agreement on the price that work for you and work for us also. I just want to let you know also, we have the same goal. You want the most for your property. We want to offer you the most for the property so that we can buy the property and do whatever we want with the property and feed our family. That's the only way we can pull a deal together, by getting on the same page. We never try to lowball people. We try to give the best possible, so that we get the deal done and help you out of your situation. So we're always looking to serve. So after that, when everything is checked, 80% of the process is complete, we will send someone out there. We pay them, general contractor, sometime our general contractor, sometime our partner general contractor will go in there. My partner will go in there. My money partner will go in there, so that usually we'll do all at once to save your time, to save our time too. We don't want to go in and out of the property many times. Every time we go, cost us time and money. So we will schedule that with you, align to everything, and we move really quickly. The last property that we bought, after we lock it up under, get the commitment to the seller and everything is smooth to go, we close within 4 days after he said he is ready to move, and we ready to close. So within 4 days he got the cash at hand and everything is clear. So we buy after that, after we walk through, that is pretty much it. It is, if everything that we talk about is exactly what we talk about, there is no missing roof, missing walls, there is no flood, there's no mold that you didn't let us know, there's no reason that we are not moving forward. So that's how we operate. We want to be as upfront as possible to save your time and save our time as well. And we want the repeat client, we want referral, right? We want to serve, we want to get that 5-star from you working with us. It is the huge thing that we are putting a lot of effort on. Our service is excellent. Doesn't matter, we make money or not. We don't cut corner on our services. So I hope this answers your question. Angel Home Solution can buy houses very quickly. We can buy houses with sight unseen. Typically we do everything over the phone, 80% of the process, so that we save your time, we save our time, and if everything that we talk about is no hidden, no surprises, we'll move really quickly. So we're looking for the partner. We're looking for somebody that we can, be on the same side with, on the same page, that we can be your best fit. You can be our best fit, and we'd like to move forward and we'd like to solve your problem. So if you have any real estate issue, just let us know. We'll do our best to help you out in any possible way. When people want to sell their house, there usually some kind of problem. Maybe they just need to move, whether they have to downsize, whether blah blah blah, whatever it is, we always find a solution. Maybe sometimes the solution is not us buying the property, but we are happy to provide the solution regardless, whether refer you to one of our real estate agent that we work with all the time, get you out of the foreclosure by referring you to one of our broker, the loan officer that we work with all the time, whether you need a probate attorney to take care of your probate process, your inherited property, whether you need a property manager, whatever it is, we have that tool, we have that resource, we have that solution for you. Thank you. I'll talk to you soon.